Lucknow Public Schools and Colleges. Motto is Gyanat Labte Sharvamam. I am S.K. Srivastava from Anand Nagar branch, Jello. Class 10th ICSE, Subject Mathematics, Chapter 18, Trigonometric Identities continued. Lecture video 2. Chapter 18. The first identity I am going to prove sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. For that I have taken a right angle ABC, angle B is 90 degree and angle A I have taken theta degree. For angle A, AB is base and BC is perpendicular and AC is hypotenuse. Suppose if you are taking angle C, then for C angle, BC will become base and AB become perpendicular and AC as it is hypotenuse. So this always you keep in the mind. Now for the proof of this, I have used the Pythagoras theorem. So in this triangle, the Pythagoras theorem is BC square plus AB square is equal to AC square. Now both sides I have divided by AC square. So this statement will come. After that, we know BC upon AC. BC upon AC is sin theta, so it is a square, that's why sin square theta. AB upon AC, AB upon AC is your cos theta, so a square is there, that's why cos square theta. And AC square cancel 1. So your first identity is proved, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Similarly, second identity 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta I am going to prove. Write down again the Pythagoras theorem. Now at this time you divide the both sides by AB square. So BC square upon AB square upon AB square, AC square upon AB square. Now BC upon AB you know tan theta. So what you will write? A square is there, so tan square theta. AB upon AB square is cancelled, so 1. Now AC upon AB, so sec theta. So you will write sec square theta. So therefore, tan square theta plus 1, or you can say 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta, hence prove the second identity. Now for the third identity, 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. Similarly, Pythagoras theorem you have written. Now you just divide by BC square both the side. So BC square upon BC square, AB square upon BC square, AC square upon BC square. Now BC square cancel 1. AB upon BC cot theta. So you will write cot square theta here. AC upon BC you will write cosec square theta. So now 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. In this way, all three identity you are able to prove. Now, trigonometric ratio of complementary angles. In this, if I have taken A angle, so the value of sin is BC upon AC. And if I will take sin 90 minus A, then for that this is the perpendicular and this is the hypotenuse. So sin 90 minus A is equal to AB upon AC. And cos A is equal to AB upon AC. So in both cases AB upon AC. That's why we can write sin 90 minus A is equal to cos A. Similarly, cos 90 minus A. Cos is base upon hypotenuse. So cos 90 minus A, this is the base. So BC upon AC. And if I will take sin A, then for the sin A, BC upon AC. So both cases BC upon AC. So therefore we can write cos 90 minus A is equal to sin A. Similarly, we can write tan 90 minus A is equal to cot A, cot 90 minus A is equal to tan A, sec 90 minus A is equal to cosec A, and cosec 90 minus A is equal to sec A. In this way, I have proved the complementary angle formulas. So few questions you have to do on the base of this formula. Okay, thank you very much.